AI visuals are becoming more advanced every year, and simple upscaling tools are no longer enough. In this video, we're taking an honest look at Magnific AI, an AI-powered platform designed for high-quality image and video enhancement using generative models. Magnific AI is aimed mainly at creators working with AI-generated art, illustrations, concept design, and stylized video content. Instead of just increasing resolution, the platform reconstructs details like textures, faces, and fine structures, making visuals look sharper and more refined. One of Magnific AI's biggest strengths is control. Users can fine-tune creativity, structure, and detail intensity, choosing whether the output stays close to the original or becomes more artistic. This makes the tool useful not only for restoration, but also for creative enhancement. Magnific AI also supports video upscaling, which is still relatively rare. Video processing uses more credits and takes longer, but the quality improvement is noticeable, especially for animated or AI-generated footage. Now let's talk about pricing. Magnific AI uses a monthly subscription model. The premium plan costs around €16 per month and includes 20,000 credits, access to all image, video, and audio models, commercial usage rights, and basic upscaling tools. The Premium Plus plan costs about €36 per month, offering 45,000 credits and full access to advanced editing tools and upscalers. For power users, the Pro plan costs around €230 per month and includes 300,000 credits for large-scale production. There is also a business plan priced at about €59 per user per month, designed for teams with shared credits and collaboration features. All plans are billed monthly. On the downside, Magnific AI has no fully free plan and can be expensive for heavy users. It's also not ideal for beginners who want one-click results without tuning settings. Overall, Magnific AI is best suited for serious creators who care about visual quality and control. If you're working with AI art or high-end visuals and don't mind paying for premium tools, it's a powerful option, but definitely not a budget-friendly one.